Maurice here back for another Power Pack training. Today, we're going to talk about how to get more done, get more clients, and become more successful in social media marketing in 2021. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it's time out for playing around. Okay, it's time for you to get serious. All right, too many of you guys are not taking social media marketing serious. You're not even taking your life serious because you think that you have more time. You think that you have until the end of the year. No, all you have is today, okay? And I'm going to show you guys how to set your days up, okay? So that you can accomplish more, so that you can stop procrastinating, okay? So that you can end fears. Because these are the things that are stopping you from hitting $10,000 a month or more because of the activities that you're not doing, okay? So the first thing we got to do, ladies and gentlemen, if you want to get more done in life, okay, is you got to set a goal, okay? You got to set your days up, okay? Before you go to bed at night, ladies and gentlemen, you got to write down 5 things you want to get done the following day, okay? Grab a piece of paper and a pen or a pencil and write this down, or you can type it, all right, and print it out, okay? But you got to set goals up. What do you want to get done this week? What do you want to get done this month? What do you want to get done today, okay? 5 things. You don't go to bed until those 5 things are completed, all right? How do we get more done? How is it that I'm able to still do my YouTube videos, still run a successful agency, still run all my other businesses that I got, and then still enjoy free time and enjoy my family and, fish and all the other fun things that I do, travel, is I have a schedule. I have goals, okay? I know how my day's gonna go, okay? I plan it out. When people go on vacation, ladies and gentlemen, guess what they do? They plan it out. You have to plan your life. If you want a successful life, you have to plan it. You don't have a successful life just because you want a successful life. You have to plan it. So let me give you an example of this. If I want to go from California to Hawaii, I want to take a trip to Hawaii, guess what I have to do? I have to plan it. I have to set up the day that I want to travel, how long I want to be there, when I want to go, where I want to stay, what I want to do when I get there, how much money it's going to take, okay? All these things, okay, have to be taken into account if I want to be successful, okay? Or if I want to take that trip. All these things go into play, all right? And so it's the same thing for your days and your life and your agency. Has to be planned out, okay? You just don't hypothetically get a successful agency or get more done in a day just because, okay? It doesn't happen that way, okay? And so keep that in mind, ladies and gentlemen, that you have to set goals and you have to plan it out, okay? The next thing you want to do is set up a schedule, okay? Go to Google, get a calendar, okay? And you want to plan out and put those things on your calendar. You have to schedule it. When you go to the dentist, they schedule you. They put you on the calendar. You have to put all of your cold calling, reading books, buying courses, going to trainings, attending webinars. You have to put that on a calendar. You have to schedule it. Okay. The reason why people aren't getting things done is it's not scheduled. It's not on your calendar. You don't have it as a goal. Okay. And if you want to get more done, you have to plan this stuff out. You have to put it on your calendar. Okay. If you want more clients, ladies and gentlemen, you have to put more time into it. Okay. So let's say you're only putting in an hour or 2 hours and you're not getting anywhere. Then you need to put in 2 to 4 hours. And then if 2 to 4 hours is not working, put in 4 to 8 hours. And then if 4 to 8 is not working, put in 10 hours a day. You put in 10 hours a day on cold calling, you're going to be filthy rich. But most people aren't going to do it. But my point is that what you put in it is what you get out of it. Okay? In order for your days to become better, you got to get better. You got to get better at managing your time. Okay, you got 24 hours in a day. That's a lot. of time, ladies and gentlemen. Most people think they need more time. No, you don't need more time. You just need to know how to better manage the time you already got. Some people think they need more money. No, you don't need more money. You need more wisdom, because once you get the wisdom, you will automatically get the money. So this social media and being successful is really simple, okay? It's all about becoming a better you, and it's all about execution. Most of you guys don't execute on your ambitions, your dreams, and your goals, so therefore you get no results. And that's what happened in 2020. Most of you guys just flat out didn't execute. You had a goal to make $10,000 a month. You had a goal to exercise, to eat better, to become a better you, but you didn't execute. It's time for you to execute. So set new goals, set new ambitions, so that you can become a better person, so that you can get the results that you want in your life. The reason why I was able to fire my job when I worked at a warehouse years ago, and I was able to make $10,000 a month, ladies and gentlemen, I set a goal and I executed. I got the courses. I did what was necessary. Most people aren't willing to pay the price. Most people are just too lazy. If you want to make $5, $10, $15, $20,000 a month, ladies and gentlemen, you got to tell laziness get by. You got to say, you got to go. You got to go. You got to go to work. You got to schedule. You got to plan your days. If your days are not planned, ladies and gentlemen, you're planning to fail. If you plan to fail, if you fail to plan, you are planning to fail. Okay? Plain and simple. You have to plan what you want your day to be. How do you want your life? How much money do you want? What type of home do you want to live in? What type of car do you want? That's why most people don't have nothing, because they don't have nothing written down. And if you don't have nothing, you can't get nothing. Plain and simple, ladies and gentlemen. So I want you guys to have a better 2021. And the way you have a better 2021 is that you set a goal, you schedule it, you get a calendar, you execute, okay? You write down 5 things that you want to accomplish that day. And you don't go to bed till those 5 things are accomplished. This is how I stay motivated. This is how I stay setting goals and accomplishing goals and reaching for the stars. You know what I mean? And sometimes I don't hit the stars, but I still land on the moon. Okay. So ladies and gentlemen, this is what you got to do if you want to be successful. If you're tired of having unproductive days, most of you guys just are sitting back, watching Netflix, on Facebook, on YouTube, not doing nothing. Okay, because you don't have goals and ambitions. Set some goals. The first goal I want you guys to write down is you want to hit $10,000 a month. And over the next year, go after it. Go after it. Get the course. Do what's necessary for success. Pay the price for success. It's worth it. I'm going to tell you guys, I paid the price. I sacrificed my time, energy, money. I bought courses, books, trainings. I listened to those that were better than me, and I executed, and here I am every single year pulling in multiple 6 figures from one business that I run. I have multiple businesses. It's just one of them, okay? And you too can do it, but you got to execute. You got to set goals. You got to write down 5 things you want to do that day and accomplish it. And I guarantee you at the end of the year, you guys are going to be stars, making money, having a successful agency, doing things that you never thought you could do. Okay. So if this video has been of immense value to you, make sure you guys comment below. Make sure you hit the thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber of this channel, become a subscriber. I put out fire like this on a regular, okay, to help you guys hit your goals, get out of debt, and fire your 9-to-5 job. My goal is to help 1,000 people hit $100,000 a month, a year. My goal is to help 1,000 people make 6 figures every single year, okay? So if you guys want to do that, make sure you subscribe. I'm going to continue to help you guys get to where you want to be. Make sure you guys click the link in the description. You guys can grab the ICP course. Helps you guys with the mindset, and it'll definitely help you guys get to $10,000 a month. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye for now.